Single and double stamped cable clips require a slightly different assembly procedure. First, make sure the cable's final diameter matches the clips you are using. Then, seize the end of the cable. Unscrew the nuts and remove the top plate. Place the cable into the body of the clip and work it into the grooves and around the bolts, leaving at least 2 cable diameters of dead end protruding from the body. Form the eye to the size you require and work the cable into the other side. Place the top plate onto the body to capture the cable and tighten the nuts by hand. Use a wrench for final tightening while alternating between nuts to ensure equal pressure. Your finished assembly should look as shown. For single stamped clips, use the same guidelines as you would for double stamped clips. To recap, the key points to consider when choosing wire rope clips for your rigging assembly are turnback length, torque values, number of clips required, clip size, and clip spacing. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us on our website